Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about email writing. When economy is increasingly globalized, business English email has played an important role in modern business activities due to its convenience and speed. According to the survey, 88% of Internet users write email, and about 90% of employees use email to deal with business relations. Email in business communication represents image of a company, shows its status and strengths, and directly affects clients' assessment of the company. Therefore, email writing plays an important role in business dealings. Improving the quality of business email also means communicating successfully, reducing misunderstandings, and improving corporate image. Now comes to learning objectives. First is the format of email. It will include the main parts of email. Second is the skills to write an email. It will include the parts different from the letter writing. Here we begin with the introduction of the format of email. In general, an email has two big parts, heading and body. The heading includes from, to, date, subject, CC, BCC, attached files, and so on. The layout of the email is like that of a letter, including heading, salutation, body, close, and signature. But sometimes it just has the parts of body and salutation, while the parts of close and signature are omitted. The format of emails is the same as that of letters. Please look at the reference format. From, to, CC, carbon copy, BCC, blind carbon copy, subject, salutation, greeting, beginning, body, ending, attached, complimentary close, writer's company. Other information may include company name, logo, address, phone number, and website. Now let's look at writing skills of email. Here we will talk about the writing skills of email, which are different from letter writing. First is the address. When sending an email address of the writer, the recipient, the CC recipient, and the BCC recipient are much simpler than those of a written mail. The word to indicates the recipient to be sent. From means the writer of the email, and CC is to copy to the person you need to explain. BCC allows you secretly sending a copy, as B is an abbreviation for blind. If there is only one recipient, there is no need to fill in the CC recipient's email address. When filling in the email address of the BCC recipients, the writer secretly copies the email to the BCC recipient, and other recipients cannot see the address of BCC. For example, when a foreign trade company launches a new product and wants to introduce it to its potential customers via email, considering courtesy and privacy, It does not want customers to know each other. In this case, just write email addresses of the potential customers as the BCC recipients. When an email is received, clicking Reply will give a reply to the recipient, and a reply to all means that your email will be replied to all recipients who have originally received the email. Forward means to send the received email to your colleagues or leader who needs to know the information. It is usually indicated with FYI, which means for your information. Secondly is the subject. A well-written subject line delivers the most important information. Whether the email subject is good or not will also affect the efficiency of the reader in processing the email in the mailbox. Therefore, in order to ensure that the recipients read the emails in a timely manner, the email subject should not only attract attention, but also be clearly described to avoid vagueness and generality. As the example given below, it should be eye-catching and clear-cut in meaning, better be a noun or gerund phrase. Thirdly is the attachment. When writing an email, sometimes important document, additional information, or details inappropriate to describe in the body part can be attached. An attachment can be an image file, a Word document, or one of many other supported file types. Also note that sometimes there are place limits on the size of the files that can be attached to the email. Common expressions are as follows. Here is. Attached is. We have attached. I have attached. The attached proposal includes. The enclosed document shows. Please review the attached diagram. The attached spreadsheet covers. Please double-check the complete contract attached to the mail. In summary, when you write emails, always think about your relationship with the person you are writing to. The more familiar you are with the recipient, the more informal the email is. Email can be quite short and informal, and may contain contractions and other characteristics of spoken English. If you are writing an informal email, the first thing you need to know is that you'd better have a clear objective and get directly to the point. If you want your message to be effective, you shouldn't make any obstacles for your readers to understand, and helping them save time can definitely show your professionalism. When you are writing subjects, use very simple but important words, and you should always double-check your email before you sending it in case something is wrong. Besides, when we send emails, we should pay attention to the time zone of your customer in order to make sure our emails are on the top of their inbox when they start working in the morning, so they won't miss reading our email. For example, email the potential customer in Britain at 1 a.m. and those in Russia at 4 a.m. Well, today we've learned the writing of an email and its skills we should pay attention to. Before we finish today's lesson, I will leave you 2 questions. Think about how to write an email of establishing business relation. What should be included? Thank you for watching. See you next time.